Here's the deal. When new technology comes out, if you're not using the technology to its fullest extent, then you're not really using it. So the point is that we have AI now, but if we're just using it to write little blog posts here or emails there or help us out here, help us out there, then we're not using it, we're gonna get left behind by competition. We need to actually use it to its fullest extent. So I was thinking, what happens if we created an entire year's worth of blog content in 4 hours? So I started this morning, roughly about 8 a.m. It's about noon right now. 4 hours, I have basically given instructions to AI to create different categories of marketing plans, all sorts of blog posts for every single industry. And not only is it creating blog posts for every single industry, but it's creating really good blog posts with really, really good information, right? Because it can tap into basically the full extent of human knowledge on the internet, get the best stuff, put it together in an SEO optimized formatted blog post. All I have to do is basically give it the right instructions. I'm going to show you how I did this right now. You can do this for you, and this is how you can get a ton of organic traffic in probably less than 6 months or so. You can use this, and I'll show you how we're doing it over here. Here's how we're going to start. First, we're going to write the prompt. Please create an SEO optimized blog post for this title, and then we're going to make sure, please include the slug to use for the URL, as well as H2s, bullet points, H3s, and please create the metadata description, as well as make a suggestion for the featured image. Please also let me know alt text required for the featured image. So I'm going to copy that prompt, come over here, ChatGPT. While that's creating the title for the post, I'll just grab this right here. I'm going to put that over here. I'm going to edit it with Elementor. Alright, so this will be introduction. This is actually going to be some text of the heading, and then this will be an H2 right here. And we're going to put in some more text right here. Looks good. And I'm just going to grab another heading. Alright, now we have a blog post. Now we just need to go up here, make sure that everything is, okay, the title is good. Okay, so now we're going to save this as a draft. We're going to exit. Let's go find that draft. Use social media. This is it right here. This will be the slug. The slug goes down here. I'm just going to the meta description here, that here, and now we just want to go here. We'll go to Unsplash, search for that. Let's see, what here makes sense? This could work. We'll leave the title here to give the credit. This is a free site. You leave the file name the same. It'll give credit to the author. Featured image here. All right, we're going to take the alt text. That is the featured image. Let's take a brief run through. Ready to publish. Now let's view the post. Got this big ass logo right here. Let's take a look and see how that came out. How to use social media. Boost your HVAC business. Here we have perfectly optimized SEO blog post. Now we're going to do this for 55 blog posts. I'll let you know when I'm done, and then we'll continue. So here we got one other blog post. Ultimate guide for lead generation for HVAC contractors. So it kind of gave me down here some strategies for lead generation, pretty basic. And then I just asked the AI to give me some more advanced lead generation tactics, and it got pretty advanced. We could go way more advanced, but for the layman, I don't want to go too crazy, so we'll leave it at that for now. Let me just add. All right, we want to add now the featured image. Let's use this guy. We'll show him some love, and we are good to go. See, now every time I want to just replace or write a new blog post, I just put in the new headline. This is how to create an engaging content marketing strategy. And I just take that and I throw it here into GPT. That is it. All right, so check this out. I want to show you a little hack here. So we're going to replace the headline. Please write this from the perspective of an HVAC contractor writing in third person, but please make sure it is advanced and SEO optimized. All right, now we're going to take that and put this. See how that does. All right, so this is going to create a different type of post. All right, check this out. I'm going to ask for a complimentary chart. See what it gives me. All right, so let's put this up here. Maybe we'll put it in the second section. All right, this will be great. Okay, and we'll publish that. Boom. La 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 la. Writing SEO optimized blog posts without doing a fucking thing. We could make it so that we just have to copy and paste the whole thing. I can make it easier, but I want to keep it looking pretty right now. 13, we're on our 14th. And I've been doing this for less than 2 hours. Okay, so let's do that. We're doing now how to measure your HVAC marketing results. Let's go to our toolkit, see what happens there. I mean, look, Industrial Revolution came along, everything got extremely more efficient. People lost jobs, people gained jobs, wealth disparity increased, I think. So probably no difference going to happen with the advent of AI. Let's see what it gives us for an illustration. I'll start adding the how to measure your HVAC marketing results. Take this right here, add that right there. Measure results. Yeah, whatever. This one's fine, right? And then we're just gonna go here and set the featured image. So let me just add this in here, set featured image. Now what I'm doing is I'm actually dividing up all of the blog posts by categories. So I created plumber marketing, we have HVAC marketing, now we're going to do landscaper marketing. And this will allow us to build a tremendous amount of content and keep it organized on the actual site. Can you create a shorter meta description for landscaping? Put that here, update, and then what we do is we'll go to the menus, go to the categories one, this, save that. Okay, so now you can see I'm on to plumbing, we posted, and you're about to see how to build a year's worth of content, few hours. Now, I started at 8 a.m. It's now 11:54. I have to go on a sales call, meet with a prospective client, and I'm still working on here, but you see I've added 3 categories. We've got HVAC marketing here. I just started with the landscaping marketing here, plumber marketing here. And you'll see at the end of every single post, I've also created a call to action to get our 5 hacks. And yeah, that is how you do a shitload of SEO in 4 hours.